Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a jacket for spring.
Of course. We have a range over here. What size are you?
Can I try on a medium size in this blue jacket?
Certainly. The fitting room is just over there.
It's too small. Do you have it in a large?
Let me check for you. I'm afraid we don't have a large in blue, but we have it in black.
Can I try the black one then, please?
Absolutely. Here you are.
This one fits well. I'll take this one. How much is it?
It's $49.99. We offer a 15% discount if you buy a second piece of clothing.
That's nice. I'll take a look at those cardigans.
Of course.
I like the grey cardigan, but I can't find my size. Don't you have it in a medium?
I'm afraid we don't. We only have a medium in brown or black.
I'll try them on.
Sure.
I like them both, but I'll take the brown one. I wanted the black one, but I've already taken a black jacket.
Yes. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay in cash?
Of course.
How much is it?
It's $89.98. With the 15% discount, that comes to £76.
Great. Here's 100.
Thank you. And here's £24 in change, your receipt and your items. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.